model, 62-plate Vauxhall Vivaro TRAFIC 2.0 CDTI black sportive factory-fitted crew cab Starstruck. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 187122. Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 115 bhp. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features, 2 keys, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.